continue introduction of microservices for understanding of why learning microservices is crucial for you. Let's try to break down again point by point. So the first point is keeps you current. Microservices are a leading trend in software architecture. So understanding them keeps you up to date with industry practices, right? Second point is enhances flexibility in development. Learn to build applications that adapt easily to changing requirements. Microservices allow for quick updates and improvements. Okay. Let's understand the point number 3. Improves scalability skills. Master the art of independently scaling parts of an application without needing to scale the whole system. All right, let's move to the point number 4. Better fault isolation. Understand how to prevent one issue from affecting the entire application, ensuring more stable and reliable system. Point number 5 is enables use of multiple technologies. Get comfortable using the best tools and language for each service, leading to better performance and more efficient applications. Next point is foster team collaboration. Microservices promote smaller focused teams that work independently, enhancing teamwork and productivity. Next point is makes maintenance easier. Learn to manage a smaller code bases, making it simpler or maintain the update application smoothly, right? Next point is prepares for complex projects. Gain the skills to handle large complex application by breaking them down into a manageable services. Next point is improves deployment speed. Experience faster and more frequent deployment leading to quicker releases, right, of features and updates, which makes more beneficial for your overall maintenance. Okay. And then last point is enhances problem solving skills. Tackle unique challenges of microservices present, sharpening your problem solving abilities. Like if you remember in DSA, you always have a one sentence which fits everywhere that break down your problems into smaller problems, right? The same goes here also. Tackle unique challenges of microservices present, sharpening your problem solving skills, because these microservices are a smallest unit of your tasks, of your application. So handling a problem in that smaller task or smaller parts of your overall application is easy. Okay. So these all features are making sure that nowadays why learning microservices is crucial for each and every software engineer, whoever is working on web stack or like cloud native applications. I hope you will be clear of this, why learning microservice is crucial for you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for completing this video. And I hope that you definitely have learned something which will help you in your system design interview. Hope to see you in next video with new concept and skills needed for the system design interview. By then, keep learning, keep improving, and keep sharing your knowledge.